All right, I'm packing up my stuff and heading out to the helicopter. We've got to do some recurrent training. So on the way out the door, we're going to say goodbye to Hazel. See you, Hazel, and Henry. And we're going to leave you guys alone in the house all by yourself. So you guys be good dogs, okay? Beautiful day out. Right. Open the door slowly so we don't get a bunch of leaves inside. All right, we are heading up to Auburn, Indiana to do a little flight training with my flight instructor, Brett. We have to do an annual checkout since I have under 200 hours in this helicopter. So we are going to, let me turn the weather off here. So we're going to go up, and we've already done a long cross country and done some training a couple of days ago. And so we're going to go up and do just basically a bunch of auto rotations. Today it's been a little while since I've done those with him, so this will be good. It's a beautiful day out, almost no wind, and a nice fall day. I think it's about 65 degrees here in Indiana. About an 8-minute flight up to Auburn from my house. Would normally be about a 30-minute drive. At one tower between and Auburn, and it's right in front of us. We're actually above it though, but I'll swing to the right side of it just to avoid going over the top of the tower. Breakout traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, short final, runway 9er. We're going to sidestep and hover taxi on the taxiway.
Decal traffic, Skyhawk 20381, turning left downwind, runway 27, Decal. Decal traffic, Skyhawk 20381, turning left base, runway 27, Decal.
I didn't think about the house. Yeah, do you want to run back and do that, and then come back and do just, what do we need to do?
Just autos as the biggest thing for me. You showed me that you could do a confined area when we did your house the other day, and cross country, it's really geared toward what you need or what you feel you need to work on.
Okay.
And John Wyatt, our mechanic, wanted to know if you were still having any leaking.
I'm having a little bit, so when we're done, I'll shut it down and get some fuel,
Okay.
and then we'll check it out and see. I think it might be coming from like where the exhaust pipe goes in the cylinder.
Okay.
Okay, guy just landed, but he's right there. 172.
Right here, you mean?
Yeah. Got anybody your way?
I don't see it.
Dropped him. Okay. Calvin traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, departing the taxiway to the west. Over to Calvin.
Let's go in, we'll do a straight in auto, and you can pick 9 or 27. Any questions about an auto?
Collect it down,
Yep.
roll the throttle off, right pedal.
Yep. RPM, airspeed spot. When you get down,
70 knots.
yep, when you get down to the bottom, flare it, and then make sure you level the ship.
Then roll the throttle back on.
Yep. Biggest thing that, if you watch accidents on YouTube, there was one that was really good, and I wish I could find it so I could show everybody, but he kind of did an auto. It was a real one. And he landed with his back skids first, and then just rolled it. So the biggest thing I tell people is just, make sure that you've got a level ship.
Harbor Cal traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, about a mile to the west. We're going to be doing simulated engine out, auto rotation into runway 9er, and then we'll be out of the way for the landing traffic.
We'll go to that first intersection.
Traffic looking. Thanks.
For that 500-foot marker.
Okay. Good here?
Tell me. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
The RPM, airspeed spot. Look, the RPM's creeping up, so pull up on the collective a little bit. Airspeed looks good. Get about here, start leveling off. Hold it for a second. I'll flare it like a quick stop. Up, roll on the power, level the ship. Good job. Go ahead and do a turnaround here and we'll just take back off. We'll go out to the west.
Over to DeKalb County traffic, Cherokee 38 Whiskey's entering left downwind runway 27 off DeKalb.
Got him?
Yep. Extend your downwind and we'll come back in and do a 180.
Okay.
So we'll go to the opposite end of the runway, go into that same first intersection. Just like we did down here.
A straight in?
No, a 180.
Okay. Cal traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, right downwind 27. We'll do a simulated engine out, 180 auto into 27.
So our aiming spot is down there.
For the first intersection?
Yep. So you enter it, the 180 you enter it the same as if you were going straight ahead.
Right, right.
DeKalb County traffic, Skyhawk 20381, taxiing to runway 27 via Alpha.
Look good?
Yep.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Auburn and Kelp traffic.
Pull up just a little bit on that collective.
Check it.
RPM, airspeed, spot. Keep bringing it right around. Keep turning, look at your spot. Keep turning, start heading right for that spot. Airspeed just slightly low. End up going right here. Flare it. On power.
Alright, what happened there though?
Which part? Why are we short, or why did the horn come on?
The horn came on because I was getting too slow.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Getting too slow. The as far as the spot goes, as soon as you enter that auto, go ahead and go. We'll do it again.
Yep.
As soon as you enter that auto,
Start turning?
start turning.
Yep, okay.
And the biggest thing is, you know, this is where you're going. So we don't have to make it like a pattern.
Yeah.
Like, it's turn right to it, then go from there.
Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Pull up on the clip. RPM looks good, airspeed looks good, and look at your spot. And then kind of just judge it from here. If you keep it in tight like this, you're good, looking good. RPM's just slightly high, so pull up a little bit on the clock. Hold it right here, the RPM's slightly high, so flare it, roll on the power. Just remember, you don't want to be, if you had to do a full down, you can't go sideways.
Yep.
Forward cycling. Want to try it again or anything? Or?
Yeah, let's do another one.
Cobb County traffic, helicopter 7 Echo Bravo on the go, 270 Cal.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
RPM, airspeed, look at your spot.
Cobb County traffic, Skyhawk 203A1, upwind, runway 27 to Cobb.
Keep turning. So as you go into that bank, feel those G. That's also going to push your RPM up. So at this point, flare it hard. Pull on the power. Bring it right over here, Bill.
I think mentally I'm like compensating,
Cobb County
or I feel like I'm compensating for the engine coming back on.
Runway 27 will be departing to the northeast to Cobb.
You're compensating for what?
I feel like I'm like compensating in a way for the engine coming back. I'm waiting for like a kick.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do. I think the engine's already kind of up a little bit when you're flaring with that collective and everything pulling back in. With that correlator and everything.
Yeah, let's do one more.
Yep.
Cobb County traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, right downwind, simulated engine out the 27. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
To the northeast, we're at 2500, we're going to overfly the field, a teardrop, and go downwind to runway 23.
Better?
Oh yeah, that was good. Yeah. What else do you want to work on? You've done it all.
I'm good.
Good if you're good. I mean, you've done everything. You're fine.
We'll do a quick stop down here.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Over here and get some gas, or they'll come over.
They can come over here. Just turn it around so it's easier for them when you set it down, face it out. But
I'm trying to get the perfect landing with you.
but, I don't do perfect landing. Good job. I mean, you fly it well.
Hubbard Cal traffic, helicopter 357 Echo Bravo, departing the taxiway to the west. Hubbard Cal.
Kennebec traffic, Freezer uniform, turning left base, 28 Kennebec.